I realized that sometimes during this personal transformation journey, you can focus on one thing. Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining. You can focus on one particular thing. For example, you have a goal you want to achieve, right? And you focus all your energy over there. That's a good thing. But then, how about all the other activities surrounding you? Do they contribute to where you're going? Because what is happening is we can focus on to one thing. Hi, Jolly. Thanks for joining. We can focus on one thing, but then do all our other activities are sabotaging this one thing we are doing, meaning we are not accomplishing anything. It's canceling it out. For example, you're trying to get the willpower to start a business. You start reading about a business, you put together your business plan, but during all your free time, you're watching some maybe soap operas. How does that contribute to the goal you're trying to achieve? So my point is, as you focus on one goal to achieve, be aware of everything that is surrounding you. All the other activities you're engaging in, are they contributing to where you're going, or are they pulling you back? If you're trying maybe to get out of anger, but then you watch violent movies, you see, in the back of your mind, you're fueling the one thing you're trying to fight against. I remember a long time ago, one of my mentors said, I guess it's a fact, a car is built of many small parts to make it this whole big wonderful thing, right? But these small parts have to fit together and work together. And that's the same thing with our lives. As we go through personal transformation, all the areas need to fit together and work together in order to create the whole. You see? So, I hope this helps. I get the plan of action today is observe whether all the other activities are in line with what you're trying to achieve during this season. It is a wonderful season, and you're designed for greatness. You have all the power you need. You have all the ability you need. Personal accountability, personal responsibility, and even the sky is not your limit. Well, enjoy. It's Mother Ego here. I'll talk to you soon.